Good morning, Nana. Continuation of the class. Exercise permutations and combinations. Exercise 5.2 VSAQs. So up to fourth problem over. Now today we'll start fifth question. Find the number of five-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word explain such that begin and end with an vowel when repetitions are allowed. So find the number of five-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word explain that begin and end with an vowel when repetitions are allowed. So the given word is explain. So the condition is given to fill the five-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-letter word. So using these letters, the condition is given that begin and end with an vowels when repetitions are allowed. So here number of letters equal to total letters are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and number of vowels here E, comma, A, comma, I. So the condition is given begin and end with an vowel. So first place can be filled with vowel and the last place can be filled with vowel. That means units place and units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 place. So 10,000 place and units place must be filled with the vowels. That is E, A, I. So that is three vowels are there. So this vowels can be done in any one of the vowels can be done in three are there. So it can be done in three ways. And similarly same first units place also can be filled in three ways. The remaining how many places are left? Three places left. And next left with in how many letters? Seven letters. So therefore the seven letters with the three blank places, any one of the given letters can be filled with the remaining seven letters each. That is any one of the letter can be how many times we can apply here? Seven times. Here also seven times. Here also seven times. So that is 3 square into 7 cube. That is 9 into 343. So total multiplication is 3027 ways. So that is the question. So five-letter word we have to arrange. So number of letters are 7. Vowels are 3 vowels. But in the question, the 5 units place and 10,000 place can be filled with vowels. So the vowels first we can fill up the first and last places with vowels in three ways. So three letters, three vowels are there. So it can be filled with three ways. Any one of the vowel here done in three ways here maximum. Here also repetitions are allowed means three times maximum. So now the remaining three places and the with seven left with seven letters can be filled with any one of the letter in each box can be filled in seven ways each. Therefore, the number of ways that begin with and end with an vowel by the given explain word is 3 square into 7 cube. That is 3087 ways. This is the way of explanation. This is we have to write all those. So similarly, we are going to next question. Question number 6. Find the number of 5-digit numbers divisible by 5 that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if each digit can be used any number of times. So the first condition is given 5-digit number to form a 5-digit number. So the these must be divisible by 5 and by using the letters 0, 1, 2 with digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each digit can be used any number of times means repetitions are allowed. So any number can be used so many times as your wish. But the condition is given that it is must be divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for 5 we have to learn. Already we know that is the if a number is divisible by 5, the units place must be either 0 or 5. This is the basic rule of divisibility rule for 5. So that is the meaning that in the first place we have to fill 0 or 5. So this can be the words, this can be done in 0 and 5 is there in the given digits. So this can be done in two ways. So why? Because 0 is there and 5 is there. So this can be done in two ways. And in this, we form a 5-letter word means 10,000 place should not be filled with 0. Why? Because it will be becomes to 4-digit number. That is why with non-zero we can, the last place can be filled with except 0. In how many ways we can arrange means total 6 letters are there. 0 is not up, 0 is not fill up in the box. That is why we can have five ways. Any number can be done in as maximum as 5 times, and the remaining three places can be filled in each is 6 times. So that is 6 letters. This is also 6 ways. This is also 6 ways. Total number of ways is 2 into 5 into 6 cube ways. That is 216 into 10. That is 2160 ways. So the first we have to apply in the units place in the given 5-digit number that must be filled with 0 or 5. Why? Because divisibility rule for 5. And the last 10,000 place must be except 0 we can filled with in 5 ways. And the remaining 10s place, 100s place, 1000 place, this can be done in maximum any number of times by the using the given digits in 6 cube ways. Therefore total number of ways is 2 into 5 into 6 cube, that is 2160. The explanation is this. We have to write all those explanation in the exam. So next, go to the next question. 7th one, find the number of 4-digit telephone numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with at least one digit is repeated. At least one digit is repeated. So the number of 4-letter words. So to form a 4-letter words, that is must be telephone numbers by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 digits can be using the digits are given with at least one letter is repeated. So first we have to, without without repetitions is not allowed means to fill the four-letter word by using the 6 digits can be done in 6p4 ways. And the repetitions are allowed. That means each box can be filled in how many ways. If any number of the any repetitions is allowed means so many times, that becomes to maximum. It can be done in each letter box can be filled in 6 ways. Here is also 6 ways. Here is also 6 ways. So this is to 6 power 4. But in the question it is given at least one letter is, at least one digit is repeated. At least one digit is repeated. That means repetitions are not allowed, repetitions are allowed, and minus repetitions are not allowed. Then you get at least one digit is repeated. So repetitions are not allowed, repetitions are allowed, minus repetitions are not allowed. So then you get here 6 power 4 minus 6p4 numbers means that is 1296 minus 6p for nothing but 360. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 6 power 4, 36 into 36. That is 936 ways we can get. So that is find the number of 4-digit telephone numbers such as to divisibility by given using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with at least one digit is repeated means first we have to fill up the without repetition by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So four digit number means each box can be done in 6 ways. The second place can be also done in 6 ways. Third place and fourth place. Total number of ways is 6 power 4. With this is with any number of times the given digits can be used. But the number of 4-digit number forming the using the given digits when repetitions is not allowed means, so we have 6 letters to form a 4-letter word. So this can be done in 6p4 means. But in the question is giving asking that at least one digit is repeated. So that means repetitions are allowed minus repetitions are not allowed. So we get at least one letter is repeated. So therefore 6 power 4 minus 6p4 numbers. So total value here 936. This is the way of the question to find the question number of ways, that is. So write all those explanation. I'm going to next question, 8th one. 9 different letters of an alphabet are given. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using these 9 letters which have no letter is repeated, and second one is at least one letter is same just before problem. So to form here also 4-letter word by using the alphabets are given by 9 letters. 9 letters are given to form a 4-letter word. So this can be done in, when repetitions is allowed means this can be done in 9 ways. This can be, each place can be done in 9 ways. That maximum value is 9 power 4. So with this is repetitions are allowed. When repetitions are not allowed, you have a 9 letters and to form a 4-letter word. So 9 letters and to get a 4-digit number by using this is nothing but we can solve in 9p4 ways. So in total values nothing but at least one letter is repeated means repetitions are allowed minus repetitions are not allowed. So that is 9 power 4 minus 9p4. That value is 3561 minus 3024, that is 3537 numbers will be at least one letter is repeated. So to form a repetitions 4-digit number, repetitions are allowed means it can be done in any number of times. That can be done in each box can be done in 9 ways, second place 9 ways, third place 9 ways, fourth place 9 ways. So this is 9, total value is 9 power 4 when repetitions are allowed. And again second part, repetitions are not allowed means to get a 4-letter word by using the 9 letters. This can be done in 9p4 ways. But in the question at least one letter is repeated. At least one letter is repeated, nothing but repetitions are allowed minus repetitions are not allowed. So this is can be done in total values is 3537 values in the question. So that is the question. Next question number 9. Find the number of ways of arranging R things in a line using the given n different things in which at least one letter is repeated. All are similar methods. So what will I get in before problem? Same thing we have to hear 9 things in a line using the given n different things in which at least one letter is repeated. In the same way we have to write. The next page is then. So we can using the how many things? N different things to form a R things in a line. So first is given the question is asking that repetitions is allowed means by using n letters. So R things can be done in n into first place can be done in n ways, second place can be done in n ways, third place can be n ways, by rth place can be done in also n ways. So total values are n to the power of r when repetitions are allowed. When repetitions are allowed. So next, when repetitions are not allowed. When repetitions are not allowed. So that is nothing but by using the n digit numbers to form a R letter word. So that can be done in, that can be arranged in NPR ways. When repetitions are not allowed. When repetitions are allowed means to get same thing can be repetition. Repeat any number of times can be used. That is nothing but you get again n things. First place can be n things, second place can be n things, third place can be n things, total r places can be n things. So that is denoted by n to the power of r. That is nothing but when repetitions are allowed. When repetitions are not allowed means taking n different things from to fill up a r boxes. So that can be done in NPR ways. Total at least one letter is repeated means repetitions are allowed minus repetitions are not allowed. So that can, then you get at least one letter is repeated value you can get by using repetitions is allowed minus repetitions is not allowed. That is the question number 9. So in the same way, question number 10, all are different, wordings different, but concept is same. Question number 10, a number lock has 3 rings and each ring has 9 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on 9. Find the maximum number of unsuccessful attempts that made by a person who tries to open the lock without knowing the key code. A number lock has 3 rings. Number lock has 3 rings. Each ring has 9 digits. Find the maximum number of unsuccessful attempts that made by a person who tries to open the lock without knowing the key code. So you have here total numbers are 9. And the lock has the ring, a number lock has how many rings means 3 rings. And the question is asking that find the maximum number of unsuccessful attempts. So you have a successful attempts and total attempts and unsuccessful attempts. Then you get unsuccessful attempts. The person to open the lock without knowing the key code. That is why we can write as. So each ring can be done in how many ways? 3 rings are there. Here given that 3 rings are given. So nine things are. So in previous, number lock has 3 rings, but each ring has 9 digits. So 9 digits means you have 9 digits. The rings are 3 rings. So each place can be done in as the way nothing but 9 ways. And second digit can be done in this ring also 9 ways. And third way also 9 ways. So that is you can get 9 cube ways, the total number of ways in which the 3 rings can be rotated as how many times means nothing but 9 cube ways. So total successful attempts how many out of these we have a successful attempt. One is successful attempt is 1 will be there. Successful attempt is 1. So then it can be opened. That is the successful thing. But in the question is asking that unsuccessful. Unsuccessful means total number of attempts minus successful attempt. Then you get unsuccessful. So total number of ways is 9 cube and successful nothing but only one way. Then you get the the lock will be open. The success will be rate is only 1. So total attempts are without knowing the key code nothing but 9. So that is total ways is 729 minus 1, that is 728 ways. So the maximum number of unsuccessful attempts is 728 ways. In the same way, the question number 11 is there by using the concept of palindromes. So what is mean by palindromes? Yesterday already we learned. If a number or a word repeated as reading or anyway some read as same meaning, that is left to right or right to left, then the value same. So then such a words are called palindromes. In this question is asking that find the number of palindromes with 6 digits that can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The first question, and the second question is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the general formula is already we known. That is the number of palindromes with R letters or digits that can be formed using the n letter words, that is n to the power of R by 2 if R is even. And second one is if R is odd number, so that is R n to the power of R plus 1 by 2 if R is odd. So the question here, the given digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. To form a how many numbers means 6 letter words. So number of letters are here n equal to 5. The formula is number of palindromes formula is if R equal to 6 means it is even. So even nothing but n to the power of R by 2. Then you get 5 to the power of 6 by 2, that is 5 cube numbers. In general thinking also you can get logically 6 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the second method. So here what is the meaning palindrome? By using this number here, same thing has to fill up with same, the last place also same. and the second place can be last but one place or can be filled in the same word or digit. And similarly third and fourth, so third and last third one and first from first onwards third, this place can be also filled in the same word or digit. So this can be done in, so first suppose we can to form this number, how many are there? 1 3 5 7 9 means total numbers are 5. So the first way is done in 5 ways, and second way also can be done in any number of times, also 5 ways, and third way can also 5 ways. Total number of ways is 5 cube. In this way also we can number of polynomials we can get the similar concept only, but the question is given that by using the n power r by 2 or this way. Anyway, you can get a number of polynomials. In similar way, second one also is there, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The second question is given. To get a to get a 5 letters. How many letters are given? Yes, we'll see. 6 digits. Same thing in the first bit and second bit. So similarly, this also 6 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first place cannot be with the 0. Why? Because it didn't get 5-digit number. In the question is asking that 6 digits. So the first place can be filled in how many ways? Without 0, except 0 means it can be done in 4 ways. And the remaining 3 places, the remaining places can be done in either, how many number? 5-digit numbers are given, I think. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So remaining places can be done in, this place can be same, this place can be same. So that is 5 square. So the remaining digit same thing. So then can you get 4 into 5 square. Or else another way is also is there. Another way is also there. So first place into the power of r by 2. Then you get 0 without place. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So 6 digit means 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 2. That is 4 into 5 square. 4 into 5 square nothing but 400 ways. So this is the number of polynomials can be done here. In the same way, the question number, short answers are there. So short answers. First question is given that find the number of 4-digit numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are divisible by 2, and second one is 3 when repetitions are allowed. If a number is divisible by 2, the divisible by 2 rule is there. Divisible by 2 nothing but if a number is to form a 4-digit number, if a units place, so units place must be filled with even numbers. In this question, how many numbers are given? Digits are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given. So even numbers are 2 will be there, 4 will be there, and 6 will be there. So this can be done in either 2 or 4 or 6. So that is 3 ways. And next thing, the each first tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. So this can be done in 6 ways each. Why? Because repetitions of the things are allowed means 6 ways, and this tens place 6 ways, hundreds place 6 ways, and the remaining thousand place also 6 ways. That is nothing but 3 into 6 cube. So that is the answer. 3 into 216, that is 648 ways. This is the number of divisibility rule by 2. But in the question this is as to first question. Then you get second question, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. So that can be done in how many ways? So if I have a first 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. So here done in how many ways? Any number can be done in as maximum 6 times. Here also maximum has to 6 times. Here also maximum has to 6 times. But in the units place, the general concept is there. Suppose let us take some example. Some example means any continuation of the numbers are will take. So 6 consecutive integers. So 6 consecutive integers means, let us take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of consecutive numbers you can get any number, suppose, or else bigger number out of this question numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many numbers? Consecutive, 6 consecutive integers. So this is the 6 consecutive integers. In this, divisibility rule for 3 means, divisibility by 3 means you can get 3, 12 and 15. This is two numbers will be always divisible by 3. In such a way that here also you take any number, you can get set of 6 integers will you get. Suppose let us see here 3, suppose here 5, here 1. Always you take, suppose here units place can be filled in, suppose 2, and then get to set of 13. So then 3, 5, 1, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 6, and similarly 3, 5, 1, 7. So 6 set of integers will you form. In this, so only these two numbers will be divisible by 3. So this can be done in how many ways? Only by 2 ways. That is the rule, general rule. That is, out of 6 consecutive integers, exactly 2 numbers will be divisible by 3. This is the rule of divisibility rule by 3. If you take any number, either 10 or nothing, any 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore, any value out of 6 consecutive integers, the exactly 2 numbers will be divisible by 3. This is the rule of divisibility rule for 3. So this can be done in here by using the given digits. The number of 4-digit number formed is 2 into 6 cube base. That is totally 432 ways. This is the question number 1, SAQ's first bit. SAQ's first bit question. So what is the question is given, that you read first properly. So but first divisibility by 2 by using the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, and divisibility by 3 by using the digits, same thing. So divisibility by 2 means units place must be filled with even numbers. In these even numbers, the question is given 1, 2, 3, 4 by 6. You get a 2, 4, 6 are as even numbers. So the units place must be filled with 3 ways. And the remaining any number of times you can, when repetitions are allowed, means each place can be done in 6 ways. Total value is 6 into 6 into 6 cube, that is 6 cube into 3. This is the value for divisibility by 2 numbers. Out of total values you can get 648 numbers will you get. And similarly divisibility rule by 3. Divisibility rule by 3 means out of 6 integers, that is in the line wise, that is consecutive integers, exactly any 2 numbers, in these 2 out of these 6 numbers, 2 numbers only divisible by 3. That is the rule for divisibility rule for 3. Set of values, any continuation numbers you will take. So on these only 2 numbers will be divisible by 3. That is the rule for 3. So suppose here number of any repetitions are taken, but the set of values consecutive integers you take here. In this numbers, only 2 numbers will be divisible by 3. I am giving only example, that's all. This only for example. So how many ways means 2 ways in the units place can be filled. The remaining 6 ways each by using the given digits in 6 ways each. So that is total number of ways is 2 into 6 cube ways. In the same way, the question is given, second question also almost the same. Find the number of 4-digit numbers which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 that divisible by 2 and divisibility by 4 when repetitions are allowed. In the same way, in the previous question, like that only. What is the divisibility rule means? Divisible by 2. The rule for that is the units place must be filled with even numbers. The units place must be filled with even numbers. So that is even numbers means, here the question, in the question what are the given digits are given? Given digits are 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. So that is to form a 4-digit number. To form a 4-digit number, units place must be filled with even numbers. Even numbers from here, this 0 is 2 and 8. So this place can be filled in 2 or 5 or 8 in how many ways? 3 ways. And the remaining places, that is tens place and hundreds place and thousands place. Okay, thousands place means 0 is there. So 0 should not be filled here. Why? Because you should not get a 4-digit number. It becomes to third. mm, it becomes a 3-digit number. So you should not be filled with 0. That is why the last place can be done in by using 2, 5, 7, 8. If any number can be used any number of times, that can be done in 4 ways. So the last place can be filled by either 2 or 5 or 7 or 8 except 0 in 4 ways. And similarly the tens place and hundreds place can be done in each is 5 ways. Why? Because 5 repetitions are allowed. Any given numbers are 5. Any time, any number of times can be when repetitions are used allowed. So maximum number of ways is here. Max to fill this number, this box as 5 ways. And third box also can be done in 5 ways. So total arrangements are 4 into 5 square into 3 ways. Then you get 300 ways. So this in 300 numbers which are divisible by 2 by using the given digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. In the next second bit is given. Second bit is given divisibility by 4. Page open aitale. Next page. Divisibility by 4 by using the digits are given 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. And the number divisibility condition to form a 4-digit number. In this 4-digit number, the repetitions are allowed. So the condition is given divisible by 4. First, know the value for divisibility rule for 4. Divisibility rule for 4 is, the condition is, if a number is divisible by 4, the last 2 places can be done in any one of the 4 multiples. 4 multiples nothing but by using these numbers only. So you have to go to the sequence wise. If then repetitions are allowed means you should take any number of times. So this can be done in first the last 2 places. That means units and tens places. So the places by using these given digits either fill with 0, 0 or else 0, 8. In the orderly you can go. And 20, 25 is not coming, 27 not coming. So we can use by 28 and 50. 50 is no, that is not a way. So next value is 52 and next to go to 57 no, 58 no, and then 770 is not will. So the doesn't matter. Then go to the 52 also, then get 72 in the order wise, and then go to the 80 and 88. So total how many ways are this? Total ways are 8 ways. So this place can be done in 8 ways. And the last hundreds place, tens, units, tens, hundreds and thousands place. 1000 place in this you should not be keep it as 0. So then you get the third digit will be over. So then it should not be filled with except 0. This box can be done with how many ways? With except 0 means you get the number 2, 5, 7, 8. Nothing but here you get 4 ways. And the remaining the boxes will be any one of the given digits, maximum is 5. So the total number of ways is 4 into 5 into 8. That is only choice is 160 ways. By using the given digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, you get maximum number is 160 ways. 160 numbers you can which are divisible by 4 by using the 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. The number of ways of 4-digit even numbers which are divisible by 4 are 160 numbers will be you can get. That is the question number 2. And then go to the question number 3. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which are divisible by 6 when repetitions are allowed. So to get a, what are the numbers are given? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To form a 4-digit number. In this, divisible by 6 when repetitions are allowed. So first case in the same thing as to 0. So in the 1000 units, tens, 100,000 place, you should not be arranged 0. So except 0, in how many ways you can fill up here? Total non-zero numbers are 5 are there. So it can be done in maximum 5 ways. And the next continuation say this is as to units, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So hundreds place and tens place maximum we can use here 0 also. So maximum number of letters are 6 letters. So this can be done in 6 ways maximum. Here also using 6. So there is no problem. Then it also you can get 6 ways maximum. And the last place, the divisibility rule for 6. Just now we have learned. This also observing that these numbers are also you can get continuation of the numbers, consecutive numbers, integers. Consecutive integers means sequence wise numbers. So we know that out of these 6 consecutive integers, exactly one number will be divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. From this only divisible by 6, only the value is 3. So that is the only number 1. So this can be done in maximum here only one way. So total number of way you can get 5 into 6 square into 1. So that is 36 into 5. That is the answer. So that is 180 ways. That's all. This carries 180 ways. So the question is given. Find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits by using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which are divisible by 6 when repetitions are allowed. So by using the 4-digit number means, so 0 cannot be in the first place. Maximum number of ways without except 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can use how many numbers maximum means 5 can. 5 numbers are there maximum. Any one of the numbers can be maximum 5 times can be 5 ways can be applied. 5 ways can be we have. And the tens and hundreds place maximum 0 also maximum here applied. Here also 6 ways. Here also we can use 0 also. So maximum digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nothing but 6 ways each. Tens and hundreds. The units place must be, the property of divisibility rule by 6 is, if you have a 6 consecutive integers, out of the 6 consecutive integers, exactly one number will be, any one of the number, only one number will be divisible by 6. So let us take any number. Suppose uh, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. In this divisibility by 6. 6 means only by 18 only one choice is there. Any number you take, continuation numbers will be have chosen. Then you get only one choice to fill the divisibility rule for 6 only you can get. In this way, that is why we have only here this number can be done in only one way. So that is why 5 into 6 square into 1. So that is total value 180 ways by using the out of using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and divisibility by 6 numbers are you can get here 180 numbers. In the first description way you have to write in this and next explanation wise like this. Okay. So therefore the number of 4-digit numbers using their given digits which are divisible by 6 when repetitions is allowed means 5 into 6 square into 1. That is 180 ways. Last question. Find the number of numbers less than 2000 that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 if repetitions is allowed. Number of numbers is asking. Condition is given less than 2000. And the second condition is given to find number of numbers. It may be single digit and 2-digit number. The choice are there. And 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers, but the condition is given the less than 2000. Less than 2000 means the given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 2000 means you should not be apply here in the last thousand number 2000 we will start, but you can get a more than 2000 numbers you get. So there is no chance to fill up 2, 3, 4. So that is why you should be in the last place. That means thousands place. Only started with 1 only the case. So less than 2000 means the number starting with 1 only, there is only way. With if it is you take 2000 means remaining terms will be more than 2000, you get a 2000 number, 2000 plus number. So you should not be apply in the last place, first thousands place as 2, 3, 4. So that is why you can apply by using 1. So that is started with 1. So this is the cases. The first case is less than 2000 means we have to start with 1. And asking number of numbers. So that it may be single digit, 2-digit number and 3-digit number. We can arrange them by using the given digits. So therefore, first single digit numbers, how many you can get? That means to fill up only one box by using the given digits. Maximum 4 digits are there. So maximum 4 digit means 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1 can be done in, 2 can be, 3 can be, 4 can be. How many ways maximum means it can be done in 4 ways. So therefore the number of single digit numbers formed using the given digits is maximum is 4. By using the double digit number also, that is 2 boxes to fill by using the 1, 2, 3, 5 by using any number of times. So then you can get the number of 2-digit numbers formed using the given digits maximum here also 4 times, here also 4 times. And similarly third digit number. Third digit number means you can get here 3 boxes. So first place can be done in 4 ways, second ways, third 4 ways. Why? Because total number of digits are 4. Each box can be done in how many any number of times means each box can be done in 4 ways, 4 ways, 4 ways. Therefore, this is the number of 3-digit number can be formed by using the given. But the started with 1. That means 4-digit number. 4-digit number which can be formed with started with 1 only. That there is only the choice is this number should be applied here 1. So this can be done in only maximum 1 way. And the remaining boxes can be any number of times. You can get here also 4 ways each box. So that is 4 cube here. Here 4 cube is there. Here 4 square and then here 4. So total value is 4 cube plus 4 cube plus 4 square plus 4. So then you get total value. So that is answer is 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 64. So first value is first box can be done in single digit is used by 4. And the double digit is filled by 4 by 4 ways, that is 4 into 4, 4 square. And the 3-digit number can be done in, each box can be done in 4 ways, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube ways. In the last 4-digit number to be formed, but 4-digit number in that case the question is less than, the condition is less than 2000 means the last 10,000 place can be done in only by using the single digit, but by using 1. This can be done in only one way, and a maximum number of other boxes can be filled is each one is maximum any number of times is 4 times each. So to this also 4 cube. So therefore 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 64. then you get 148 numbers. So this is the number of ways of less than 2000 that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. When repetitions are allowed, is the total number is 148. So this exercise 2 will be over, Nana. So once again you have to practice from first onwards. You write all those explanation part and of part, you can practice more. Okay, Nana, thank you.